So hi, I'm gonna do a quick tarot reading for all the zodiac signs over here. So let me start with the Aries and Aries Taurus. So each zodiac sign contains 5 to 6 minutes of tarot reading. This will give you a quick message what you need to know, what is a positive outcome, what is the overall energy, and what it is going to be. Yeah, if you want to book a personal reading, the details are in the description box. This is going to be a general one. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Just take what resonates with you. If you are very new to my channel, kindly subscribe, and if it resonates, please do like my videos, and you can share it with your friends and family. That would be the great help. So thank you so much. Without any delay, let's begin. Okay, Taurus, what is a quick message for Taurus? 3 cards, please, and the overall energy and the positive outcome. Overall energy, quick message. You're obsessive, you're holding something within you, you're not letting go of something over here, Taurus. There's a lot of disagreements, a lot of inner conflict happening within you over here. The Tower moment, the sudden changes is on the way. Some destruction is happening on the way. Let's see your overall energy. You are waiting for the right period over here, or you are trying to find the right path in your life. Let's see what is the outcome, positive outcome of the situation for Taurus. Positive outcome of the situation for Taurus. Your things will get fulfilled. Your wish fulfillment, your gratitude, or whatever it is, your wishful desires will get fulfilled for sure. So what you have to do over here is you need to be patient. You need to let go of something which is no longer serving you. Let's see why the Three of Wands is here for you, Taurus. Why the Three of Wands is here for the... Why the Three of... overall energy seems to be you're waiting. You have been waiting for something you're holding within yourself which is no longer serving you. I feel like you're wasting your energy over here. Your overall energy is you keep on waiting for something which is no longer serving you. I feel so. And that is not even a good energy which you are holding within yourself. I feel like that is going to stop your personal achievement, it's going to take on your brave or something, okay? Overall energy, you're waiting for a personal achievement, personal success over here. But I feel like based on the cards, a quick message is still you're holding, which is something within yourself, and there is a lot of disappointments, disagreements, okay, over here for you. And also I'm getting a Tower moment over here. Let's see why the Tower is here for you. Let me check why the Tower is here for you. Okay, it's completely okay. It's going to be a lot of burden. It's going to be a lot of burden, or lot of responsibility is going to be on your shoulders. Okay, unexpected, overloaded things is going to be on your shoulder, guys. You're hoping for something, okay? You have been disagreeing with people because of this, but unexpected responsibilities, unexpected change, okay, which is about to happen very quick over here for you. It could be it could be your job, it could be your love, it could be anything. Okay, something is happening behind you without your knowledge. Okay, there are some hidden facts, there are some mysteries, secrecy over here for you. You're not moving forward, you're not moving towards it. You're just standing in the... you're just in the past. You're not moving forward, you're not taking any actions for it. The Nine of Cups is clarified by the Nine of Swords and that, uh, sorry, the world. It's ending, guys. It's ending. The outcome is it's ending. At last, the cycle is going to get complete. I think you have been contemplating or you're waiting for a wrong person or a wrong circumstance or wrong situation over here for you. It's going to take a mental, it's going to be a mental pressure for you or something like that. Okay, you're not going to towards it, and it's going to get complete for sure. Yes. So thank you, Taurus.